with switches, you can connect your different devices in your system. In very simple systems, you can use unmanaged switches. But if the requirement for availability or network security are rising, you need the managed switches. In our portfolio, we have bring the lean managed switches in. And they are in the middle of the unmanaged switches and the fully managed switches from the functionality. With these products, we looked that we find a very easy usability for you. You can do on an easy way the configuration and the diagnostic in the network. And if you look to the diagnostic, you will see easily a fault. For example, a broken cable you can see directly over a web browser. With this product, you can rise up the availability of your system because you find the faults faster.